Hello guys, before starting with our course, few housekeeping rules I would like to discuss. First thing, prerequisites. During this course, I am executing few Linux commands. If you know Linux basics, well and good. If you don't have, don't worry, still you can follow along with me. If you are really curious about to learn Linux basics which are required for DevOps, maybe you can check out my other course, Linux for Cloud and DevOps Engineers. Next, AWS EC2 service. In this course, I am going to use multiple EC2 instances during our project. For that, you should have AWS EC2 service knowledge. If you don't have, still don't worry, you can easily follow with me. Next, resources. I am expecting that you should have an AWS account. If you don't have an AWS account, at the end of this course, I have added a separate lecture how to create an AWS account. You can watch that video to create an AWS account. Next, GitHub account. I'm going to create a GitHub account during this course, so you need not to create now itself. And the resources or documents which I use during this course are updated in this GitHub URL.